children, previous video I have explained exercise 12.3 question number 13. Now I am going to explain question number 14. Let's see the question. AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles. AB and CD, this one is AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter, of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter, and center O. What is my concentric circles? Circles with the same center and different radii are called concentric circles. Circles with the same center and different radii are called concentric circles. Just imagine that these are two concentric circles, that is the same center but the radius is different. This one is the radius of the small circle and this one is the radius of the large circle. And here we have taken two arcs of that circle. AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles. That is, this way we have drawn that one this way, that much only. Two arcs we have taken. This one is AB and this one is CD. Center of that two circles, that is O. O is the center of the circle. Now if we are cleaning this one, see, that is the arc AB and CD are the arcs of the two concentric circles. That much only there. AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter. This radius of the large circle is 21 centimeter and radius of the small circle is 7 centimeter. And the center O, center of that both the circles O. If angle AOB is equal to 30 degree, this one angle AOB, this one angle AOB is equal to 30 degree, then find the area of the shaded region. If angle AOB is equal to 30 degree, then find the area of the shaded region. How can we find out the area of the shaded region? Area of the shaded region is equal to this area we have to find out. It is shaded there, figure it is there in your textbook, that area we have to find out. So now you see here, this one is in the form of a sector. It is in the form of a sector, and this one ABO or AOB is the area of the large sector, and this one is a sector of that small circle. This one is the sector of a small circle and this one is the sector of that large circle. So how can we find out this area? Area of the shaded region is equal to area of a large sector. Area of a large sector means area of large sector means this whole area it will come. Area of the large sector. From there we have to subtract the area of this small sector. So we can write the formula. Area of shaded region is equal to area of large sector minus area of small sector. Area of large sector. Area of a sector is equal to, what is the formula? Pi r square theta divided by 360 minus area of small sector. That also same formula only. There is a difference, that is in the r, radius only. Pi r square theta divided by 360. That is pi is equal to 22 by 7 and capital letter R, that is the radius of the large circle 21 centimeter. Central angle theta, what will come? 30 degree divided by 360 minus pi 22 by 7 r square, radius of the small circle, that is 7 centimeter, into theta, central angle is the same only, that is 30 degree divided by 360. Then subtract these two, we will get the area of the shaded region. So before that, first we have to write the given values from there. After that only we will find out the area of the shaded region. So first you write the given values from the question. Radii of the two circles of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter, arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So we can write radius of large circle. Capital letter R is equal to 21 centimeter. Radius of small circle. Small letter R is equal to how much centimeter? 7 centimeter. Central angle theta is equal to what is the value there? given there, if angle AOB is equal to 30 degree, so central angle theta is equal to 30 degree. Now we can find out directly, we can find out here area of shaded region. Therefore, area of shaded region is equal to area of the shaded region is equal to area of the shaded region is equal to area of large circle, area of large sector minus area of small sector, area of small sector. Area of large sector, what is the formula? Pi capital letter R square theta divided by 360 minus area of small sector, pi small letter R square theta divided by 360. Now substitute value here. Pi is equal to what is value? 22 divided by 7 into capital letter R, 21 centimeter into 21 centimeter into central angle theta 30 degree divided by 360 degree minus pi r square theta divided by 360, pi 22 by 7 into small letter r, that is the radius of the small circle, that is 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter, r square, r into r, that is 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter into central angle theta, that is 30 degree divided by what is there 360 degree. Then that is equal to 21 divided by 7, 7 3s are 21, 0 0 we can cancel, 3 divided by 36, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, again 3 divided by 12 we can cancel, 3 4s are 12, then again 22 divided by 2 it will come 11, 4 divided by 2 it will come 2, remaining what is here in the numerator 11 into here all cancel, here 21 is there, 30 we have cancelled, 11 into 21, denominator it is there, 2, centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square minus, now here 7 7 we can cancel, 0 0 cancel, 3 divided by 36, 12, then again 22 divided by 2 it will come 11, 12 divided by 2, 6, 11 into 7 divided by 6, centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter square. Then that is equal to 11 into 21, 11 into 21, multiply that, 11 into 21, 21 into 11, 1 2 1 2, that is 1 3 2, that is 231 divided by 2 minus 11 into 21, that is 231 divided by 2 minus 11 into 7, 77 divided by 6 centimeter square, 77 divided by 6 centimeter square. Now subtracting two rational numbers, we have to take LCM. What is LCM here? 6 LCM, find out the numerator. First rational number into LCM minus second rational number into LCM, 77 divided by 6 into 6 centimeter square, 6 divided by 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 minus 6 6 we can cancel, 77 divided by 6 centimeter square. Now subtract this one, 693 minus 77, 693 minus 77, 13 minus 7, 13 minus 7 is 6, remaining here 8 minus 7, 1, remaining here 6, 616 divided by 6 centimeter square. Now divide it, we will get the answer. 616 divided by 6, 6 ones are 6, remainder is not there, bring down the next digit 1. So again 1 divided by 6 it is not possible, so we will put 0, 0 into 6, 0, remainder 1, bring down the next digit 6, 6 2s are 12, remainder 4, 0.0, 6 6 are 36, remainder 4, 0, 6 6 are 36, remainder 0, remainder 4, then 0, 6 6 6 etc. it will go on. So the answer is 102 point. Correcting up to 2 decimal points, 6 6 etc. it will go on. So correcting up to 2 decimal places, we will get 102.67 centimeter square. That is the answer. So my dear students, please write down it and practice it at home. Thank you so much.